Hey everyone, it's LGT. Sorry for the really long wait between videos before I start with anything. I've been changing a few things in my build, as you can see. The different RAM to the one I've showcased earlier. GPU is coming very soon, and hopefully in the next 2 or 3 days I'll be releasing another video on the keyboard and mouse I'll be getting. I have sorted out and sourced which ones I'll be wanting because I haven't got any yet. Even though I should have bought them with my monitor, but oh well. So, let's just hop straight into this one. This in front of me is the Corsair Vengeance RGB PRO DDR4, if that focuses. There we go. 16GB, 3200 MHz RAM. So, as you can see, it is really different to the other one. The other one I'll be getting was a Crucial Ballistics, I believe it was. And it was 16GB as well, but it was only 3000 MHz. So, I got this. This would have been £10 more. It was about 80 quid when I first looked at it, £80. But then when I went and go to actually buy it, I found that the price had dropped by £10. So it was the same price as the Crucial Ballistics. So we'll quickly have a look at the box here. Have a look what the box looks like here. Very nice. You've got a textured front there. As you can see, it shines in the light there. Very nice. Different things there. Just the Vengeance RGB PRO. The colours around it. Very nice. You can tell the other specs there as well. We'll have a look at the back. So there's the actual RAM in there. You can pause the screen there if you want to have a look at any of that on the back. Very nice. Comes with 2 sticks of the RAM. Oh wait, I didn't check this yet. So it comes with the Asus Aura Sync, Gigabyte RGB Fusion, and the MSI Mystic Light Sync. Very nice. Windows 7, 8.1 and 10 compatible. I'll be using 10 obviously. So, I'll quickly open this up and we'll have a look inside. So this is what's inside the box. As you can see, you've got your 2 sticks of RAM here and you've got safety information here. I'll quickly have a look at the safety information to start with because you always got to start with these. Just different languages here. Should find English there. Pretty much it in the information. A bunch of Chinese or Japanese stuff there. So we'll get into the actual main thing about this. I'll open this up and let you have a look in here. So this is the RAM here. It looks very impressive indeed, with the heatsink on the front, the heat shield, and then the big slip of, I'd say, acrylic on the top. I'm guessing that is, and then there's your LEDs. So it is DDR4. Obviously, I wouldn't get anything less from the motherboard. A few things on the back there. It's very lighter than I had expected. And it is, when I first opened it, it was quite bigger than I expected. But oh well, I'm still happy with it nonetheless. It is an impressive looking stick of RAM, and I can't wait to actually get it inside the build. So I know this was just a short video. The next few videos we'll be making will be very packed full of different stuff indeed, especially the GPU one and the keyboard, because I will be showcasing the keyboard and mouse on the computer I already have, which is a old version Apple Mac. But oh well, I'll showcase the keyboard and mouse when they actually come. I'll try and make the video as soon as I get them. I'm sorry for the long wait between videos again. I know it's been like 2 weeks and I only said it was going to be like the week later, but oh well, it's the best I could do. This did take about 4 or 5 days to arrive first. So oh well, it's here now and I've made the video. But yeah, so the next say week or 2, we pack full of surprises, BIOS tours, Windows 10 downloads and whatnot like that. And I absolutely cannot wait for that, because I will also be showcasing my setup then as well, and setting up 2 monitors in one parallel, one no, not parallel, one portrait and the other landscape. So that's pretty much it for this video, and there's a few updates of what's going to be next. Again, sorry for the long wait. It's been horrible for me as well not uploading the video. I didn't really have anything else to say really after the last one, but here we are, getting more stuff in now. So if you've enjoyed the video, please like. If you really enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. I'm happy to have you here watching my videos nonetheless. It's really nice having this community, really. I know it's only a few subscribers, very few, but it's still nice to know people are here watching them. So I'll close the video here. So thank you for watching. Share it if anyone else is interested in this certain thing. Go check out some of my videos. I'll probably link my motherboard one up here, since though it is RAM. In the link in the description is my Instagram, where to buy this on Amazon, and my Patreon. If you want to go follow my Patreon, I'll show you behind the scenes kind of things, the setup, how it is now, and some other things like that. So thanks for watching the video again. I will see you all in the next video, which is the keyboard and mouse. See you all later.